Also for Motates now this time around and foul. It is not going to work. We are not going to sit redundant and watch you guys manipulate the Ghanaian people. Africa ya bread, Ghana ya
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wofreme Adwoa search him. Ebusua for Mr. So won't subscribe ya Mr. No subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusua for Ghana youth omo sorry. Ghana youth kyerɛ omo atena se a calculate nyama ehu sɛ ɛyɛ former vice president Dr. Bawumia betimi aboa ɔman we far better than his excellency John Dramani Mahama. And I say NPP Abino is the only party on betimi aboa ɔman Ghana.
Also for Motates now this time around and foul. It is not going to work. We are not going to sit redundant and watch you guys manipulate the Ghanaian people. Africa ya bread, Ghana ya bread. We have all it takes to live like the people in UAE. We have all it takes to live like the people in the US. We have all it takes to live like, people in the Canadas and, you mentioned them. Also, the reason why we are stuck at where we are is because of some of you religious leaders, especially our Christian leaders. Because most of you are selfish. Mom manipulate Ghana for ne sa ebesine mugu so manipulate Ghana for mudi nyame sam sa na mo ma o mani kechi date na His Excellency the former Vice President Dr. Mamman Bawumia until made the president that he at a certain point in time he is going to eat a lonely fruit or said what are you talking about? Candidates now in this for represent the person of Mr. Siedun Ketia, Mr. Atofos and Moni, young compare and say achievements if they can even lace the boots of the former vice president, the greatest vice president we've ever had as a country. Papa, it will not work. The NDC is not going to stay in power for 16 years. What have they achieved so far? His Excellency John Dramani Mahama made a video said this is an opportunity for you. Nyanko Pama opportunity, Ghana Pama opportunity, but you failed us. You failed. What's I say? Intimate now and before I end this video, this is to our leaders, the MPP leaders. Listen very carefully to us. Yes, so there, Bamunti, because yen de mobeba power. Yen na de bia ye beto abane mamo. Munti, you guys should not sit aloof, and allow these people to play with the minds of the Ghanaian people. You guys should not sit aloof, ajar, and allow this tomfoolery to go on in the country. MPP for we are very respectful because of the love we have for the country. And now the leadership qualities. I have said this several times. We have leaders who lead from the front. Namado is one of them. Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia is another. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama leads from the back. He is not a true leader. And we need a true leader as a country. That is what I'm trying to communicate to the good people of Ghana. Veritax in Victor Manet, the truth remains undefeated. I am Kofi. My friends call me Nana means king. Non-duko. Duko.
The most important thing is when you be able to me do your mind Ghana so abua Ghana ede or mind no esi baby. Now imagine say baby we are see baby digitalization edi we are see yenya president bi omo chen kokko. Yenya president bi o se emofa no mo school no omo ensua China. Yenya NDC communicators ebe catch yen say abanya edi free SHS by ECC STEM schools. E my mofa no omo sua ensanodwuma edi nyama a ebeboa youth ne by no on party no menye. Na mombo bi ansa eti radio so say NPP party no Ibrahim Mahama say ototo Ghana Japade into on NPP party na on chese on fa party ni nye on she party no fanya de ope yenya president and there oya president wa Ghana ha oya campaign o catch the youth ni so bi anka na koma entoni yem na the 24-hour economy bana youth bi anye bi aye one job 3 shifts They say youth be a benya juma till say 4 years so or 2 years. Nothing has been done in this country. At the back home when this for almost 17 years you say one more. And so almost radio so sound says be Ghana for so no. Almost radio says 2028 campaign on for the falla. And the electricity intimate light bill intimate. Just teachers, nurses, school, co-farmers, na muntu mintu omoka. Ye ni madia. NDC for Edgar Niskeye. Membu ne jina baby jina. Abra na nado na ne Dr. Baumia ko baby na membu ni jina no me gidi ye pass ansa so akonnect kra. Aban bi aba the STEM schools have provide the ambulance, drip machines, just a niema NPP abane be ye. Mo de NDC aba NDC by kokko mu ntuaka nurses ntuaka teachers no mu so nurses squad in the nurses nursing training and teacher training from almost omo didi once a day omo koya demonstration police for bu omo na na do bebu amembu ATS mo te sa asemi bi e wo Ghana hanom just a niema ekoso nyina nya nsem fata so kokka NDC voze menka nti abranti kire se dabi omo atena se hu so omo yese muslim ade be fa Ghana for ase papa because omo ehu amembu a NPP fu bebu ne ATS na John Dramani Mahama I be president e kwa asanso aba no ogbu no enya de a John Dramani Mahama betumi aboa Ghana kwa nti asofo no munja except Dr. Baumia ntimi mboa Dr. Baumia ntimi mboa no obeboa papa because mo ba yi nkokon kitinkiti na mo chede ma mo executives Ghana sika twitwi di na mo atam de akoto mo wie mo se executives na re nkokon no can you imagine aban we also petetem His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
na president ni de udi na tema eye ne ya ni asoma police asoma cyber security for na ye hwehwe
abe fa osisi ya
wei ore wei mo amon jaji
nya hizo
the president no ama meto ahemfo no ama meto otumfo
obeto no
ama meto togwe afede
obeto no
ama meto do mahene
obeto no
omo pa bana na mo na mo so omo kotokoto no omo kotokoto mo bra mo ase no ombenya 2 minutes there so omo so sing Ghana ahemfo na
dabi
nti adentina
transfer 4 years no be otoso forever
nti adentina yewo youth omoti social media ha omudi ahemfo atema president John Dramani Mahama yi nani no de obi kese tia ne pe na ye kwa chi sai ni pa no menti ase
ma so mutu omo na nsi sa de no so
abra constitution so akese tia se nipa bi obetwe camera si nanim and nipa bi obedi ohini bi atem bia no onko prison for 3 months and 4 months. And it seems like our president seems or you're bigger than Ghana. So I know they're here, you can ask them.
Yeah.
Naka, you were otumfo. You were Domahene. You were Togo for the mo. You won't go for your moyeden. A cassette your mo, a yeding, it did your matem. And I'm on 2 ben or more to a phone.
Aye. Yeah, so.
But who the baby up a so bold, didn't go by. Obiani to me, Obiani that power shot or cassette out. No clear away.
Asa, no crenasa.
Wow, we are president. I count 3 years, 2 years so walk. Would I go with him by Usro Casache? A Casachu Panaya, ya.
Then you are so forever.
No, Tesu, what's Naswa? A brand of Mamma vice president in Po. No, not in a corner.
So, I
know why so. Sandy Pony Biano dinner Tama, and now we are 2-1 amount. But we are catching up now. Who the soldiers?
Cyber security.
Who the soldiers? This is a cyber force. I ain't fine for. No more. You show any banana. Me anya near Obani can you know, and now I'm being so because I see baby. Negani can ne there. Sabi, we Jimmy Kakra, we Jimmy. Umbatna social media and kase over threatening president, the whole president, Umbatna social media by threatening president of this nation. Girl Nankasano, your sources have time now are bibi. Because too bad. So Batna social media kase being coup president John Dramani Mahama. What do you Jimmy?
Oh, are they?
So what nade? See, and yes, again, that's some America. But me can in the way say, yeah, you to know. Omo de ya him for na tena so sa.
And yes, so.
Omo de ya him for no. Omo de ya ahemfo. Ye wura tumfo. Omo de ya ne tra. Omo de ya do ma hene tra. Omo de ya togwe afada ya dan. Atra. Na so e na Ghana pa ya afa ho.
Yeah, can no.
Ghana ba no ya afa ho. Me anya asem na aba se sia na Ghana ka se Ghana wa nya de. Me se wa bodam. Some no be kind social media no threatening I say a channel.
Ane.
Umata social media, a whole president, and make a sense, president, I don't want to Yajuma.
Nyezo.
Wow, a do baby, you to so much I want to trasso. Well, Omono also, Omono, MPP 90 for us. I know what you.
Aye.
Get your Becasay, me a sure so MPP.
Mean to me, ain't ready.
I am MPP, almost friend, but we are.
Young
MPP ni nti MPP ni ndisi for sa omudi juju omo watem check omo sa na omo tie omo agura omudi ano no omo agura omudi ano no sa na ndisi for no so tie na sa so na MPP for no so ye den tie omo life omo de te Ghana ha no.
Okay.
Ba ye kan okura bi wa se munyai ma ya ho ayahemfo for no ho nye den entomo Nanka akurabi afa camera sinanim aba social media abakasa nanka wakasa okasetia otunfo okasetia togba afade okasetia do mahina e dia na mo na Ghana ban tufa ho
ai ye bisa cyber security dia na
mo na mutufa ho
ye bisa mu
ara president nko na ne hu hia omanwe ya na
that be
how many years left 2 years left 2 years left no oyeden na okwa
3 years na okwa 4 years okwa
Wacha so akwata 8 years oyeden okwa but obabe tu otunfo
to say forever
obetu do mahene
to say forever
obetu to gwa fede
to say forever
but ya won kofo bi social media omani samp sa ya hemfu yi na mo kasa yeden etia mo
cyber security dia no mo ye fa
dia no mo ye fa ho
Ghana ban
dia na Ghana ban Dodoma ma o ye fa ho
dia no mo ye afa ho
ti tese de bia nkasa ntia mahama nkwa na yehu se emra ne yeden eye adwuma de bia kasa tia mahama na yehu se Ghana ye wo mra bi wo ha eye adwuma
ba kasa tia ahemfo no dia
emra nye adwuma ye kasa tia ahemfo emra nye den enya adwuma
enye
na eye obuo
dabi
obuo no
dabi
subanfu same
cyber security mo hwe ni ye
ini afa ya minimi so akra
enye kura